Yo, I found YouTube Kids. Should good. Hey guys, today we're gonna be reacting to some YouTube Kids. Let's go. Who's this? Just on our way in the app, so let's hope my little game doesn't crash this time.
If 3 likes, we'll make part 2.
It says, I'll just put Google Translate like somewhere like over here. Guess this is in Danish.
Du kan nu logge ind og oprette en profil for hvert barn.
One second guys, we just gotta go through this process. What?
27.
It's 6-7. Go back. We're in! Alright, which one should we start with? What about this one? This.
I'm in.
Get me the fuck out of here. This is video 2. I don't really want to watch this guy. Okay, so I think the thing we're gonna do, we're just gonna press the first one down here. He has his own YouTube channel. Alright, thanks for watching. I don't want to do this anymore. It's just torture.